especially if you are a coach, a consultant, a numerologist, a tarot reader, or you are already in this industry, then you are awakening, then definitely you have signs of awakening. And when you have signs of awakening, it is very much possible that you would like to go deeper into your soul journey. For a person like you who already has a knock, who already has this realization that there is a purpose, for them this is very important to know about their soul journey. When I'm saying to know about soul journey, it is not just for entertainment. It means a lot. It has a very substantial value in your life, because this soul purpose is going to be the key for resolving many lives, even if you don't know how to do the PLR, even if you don't know how to do the past life regression, and you know that, hey, I can access that particular energy or incident, or maybe a part of my journey which I might fix it now, right? It's very magical to understand that. But my friend, for that you have to have a very open mindset. You have to have a very open faith-based mindset, because if you are coming with lot of trust issues, if you are coming with lot of if and buts and this thing, okay, then probably you will not enjoy the essence of Akashic records. However, ironically, accessing your Akashic records helps a lot in letting go of your trust issues. Okay, it helps in lots of issues. But why I am telling, because when I talk to the coaches and the mentors, when I go to the seminars, and people come to me from this background, I see that 95% of them are facing trust issues, because people who have been awakened, or they started feeling their spiritual awakening, let's say a decade back, I'm sure that many of them have touched their dark night of the soul. I'm sure that few of them are going through that, right? For that understanding, staying connected with the Akashic records information is very important. I tell you 3 things here which is very important for you to understand, to know, and to implement. I'm repeating, to understand, to know, and to implement it. It is very important. How is it? Basically, that Akashic records gives you access to the deepest information of your subconscious mind. For an assumption, people have created and have asked to create it or think of it as a library, as a record initially. But this is the energy where you are tapping into the very deeper information existing into your subconscious mind. So to access that information, because there is a world of infinite possibilities, when especially we tap into the other portals, and important that you travel into your Akashic records in a structured manner. Okay, in a very structured manner. Just doing a random meditation or something might not help you to understand that at what level you are standing right now. Another very important part, when I say to know, the second part, to know, your intuition should be very good. And learning Akashic records, working on your intuition is a part of it. Okay, so it goes hand in hand, because when you channelize yourself with the energy of your Akashic guides, please mind you, here I'm not talking about angels. I'm not referring to the angel therapy. I am referring to the channeling of Akashic guides. Okay, so when you are channeling with the knowledge of Akashic guides, then yes, there will be some changes that will come to your intuition, and after some time you would like to go to the next level, that hey, let me work more on my intuition, right? So at that time, you need to understand that Akashic Records is like works very well when you work on your third eye. Okay, this point cannot be ignored. To implement it, you have to go with some ethical principles, because it's like a power. When it comes to your hand, when you are able to understand it more deeply, it is a power. And at that time, it is very important to bring the wisdom of experienced people into this industry, that how to use it for myself and others. And even if you decide not to use it to help for somebody, all right, then that doesn't mean the energy is not working on you. Energy is still working on you, because once in a lifetime it happens that you are channeling Akashic guides energy. It does its job. Simple. The way law of attraction is always happening, few channelings is always happening. You cannot say if it is happening or not happening. Okay, the more your third eye is able to perceive, the more you work and you listen to the teachings of people, it is going to give you a very strong empowerment, that how do I implement it. Okay, the implementation part is very based on choices also, personal choices also, right? And for that, we prepare a very structured course. We prepare our trainings very structured. Okay,